2010 Volvo S40 again. We replaced the front driver side wheel hub bearing. Taking it out for a second spin to see if the noise is gone. Beautiful. The horrible hum that we were hearing before is no longer present. Yeah, sounds good. Smooth and everything. There is still a very faint hum, which my master tech said could be from one of the tires having a slight flat spot or whatnot, but it's nothing crazy, nowhere near what it was previous. And that flat spot will probably wear itself back in just from being parked or whatnot. So you should have no worries, but it sounds great now. Definitely a lot smoother and sounds a lot better than previous.